Thank you very much. May I use the opportunity on behalf of the committee to welcome Justice Sir Dennis Dominic Adjei, Justice of the Court of Appeal. Our members, based on the list of the nominee, he happens to be the second person, hence the second person to be vetted. I will proceed to ask the nominee to tell us about his background briefly in 2 minutes.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. My name is Dennis Dominic Adjei. I was born on 25th of March 1964. I attended Tetrim RC Primary and Middle School. Then I continued to Achimamman Secondary School, now Ifiakobi. Then I proceeded to Wenchi Methodist Secondary School. Then I went to Legon. I did law. Then I went to law school. I completed in 1993. I practiced as a lawyer. I set up the Holy Trinity Chambers in Kumasi. And Ashanti Region Bar, I became the vice president and the president of the Ashanti Region Bar. Then after that, I joined the bench in 7th of July 2010 with my colleague Justice Senyon. We joined the same day at the Court of Appeal level. And the Court of Appeal, after assumption of office, 6 months, I was made the director of the Public Complaint Unit of the Judicial Service. Then I proceeded. Later on, I became the head of the Judicial Training School, JTI, where I served for 5 years, and I was recalled to come and do another 2 years. Then I've served on several committees, including the appeal records. I've been the chairman. Then I've been a supervising judge, oversight judge for almost all the regions, with the exception of Accra, Eastern, Volta, and Ho. All the others have been oversight judge before. Then in addition to that, I proceeded to hold several positions, such as Dean, Faculty of Law, Gimpa, as an additional duty. They requested the Chief Justice to nominate me to assist. It was additional duty. Then I did it. Then international levels, I have, before I moved to international levels, I'm a fellow of the Ghana Academy of Arts and Sciences. I'm also the fellow for the Inns of Court Fellowship for 2022. I've been the chairperson for the African Judicial Network on environmental law. I was the first person to be elected president when we met in Mozambique. Then I've also been one of the 9-member advisory committee of the International Criminal Court. We vetted judges or candidates becoming International Criminal Court judges. And my term expired 6th of December just last year. Then I'm one of the 11 members of the African Court on Human and People's Rights. And I am in my 3rd year. I was there and I came just last Saturday because of this vetting. In addition, in terms of education, GIMPA, I did Executive Master in Business Administration. University of London, I did Postgraduate Diploma in Criminology, Postgraduate Certificate. Then I did Master of Laws in Criminology and Criminal Justice. Then I went to Duke, where I did MJS, Master of Judicial Studies, where I specialized in interpretation of law, judicial education, and judicial management. And I have taught at the law school for 15 years. In 2016, UCC, University of Cape Coast, appointed me as an adjunct associate professor. In 2022, appointed me as a full adjunct professor. Kwame Nkrumah University appointed me as associate professor part-time in 2016, and I've been teaching in that capacity up to date. So, Mr. President, Chair, you said brief, so I will just limit myself to these things.
Thank you very much. I said brief in 2 minutes, but looking at your 18 pages CV, I wonder how you could do that in 2 minutes. So I've decided to give you a bit of time. Thank you very much.